I've been sleeping with my cousin for the past 6 months and he's been sorting all my bills. Or if I'm put her online, where admit it to herself that's not achievement or metegolo, whether she's chasing clouds or not. I'm gonna me fende by and was ifa. Onya amakwana ife ọ na-akọ baalụ na Igbo. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. In recent times, ndị mmadụ na-emezi alụ ọ dịka if na nwere ife ọ bụ. Anyway, achọrọ m ikwu ọtụtụ okwu. You need to see this video for yourself and see where a young girl of 2026 now admits to the public that she's been sleeping with her cousin for the past 6 years, and her cousin here has been paying all the bills for her. Take a look at this video.
I've been sleeping with my cousin for 6 years now, and guess what? That is why I don't have a boyfriend, because he sorts my bills, do everything for me, and I don't feel any remorse.
I know that young people make a lot of mistakes, but that she doesn't feel any remorse. That she doesn't feel anything. First of all, Nani Igbo, if you want anything to do with somebody related to you, more far distant cousin, more near distant cousin, more be couldn't name or be couldn't I. Madam, ega bugodalo. Whether 2026 or not, whether government mayor alo balo, and you can imagine this person or koja ifele adrianilu see whether this person is chasing clout or not. Anyway, and chase clout too. I know the government is doing anyhow but and chase clout, but you know, we keep saying it. If you have any family member that is not disgracing you online, you don't know what your God has done for you. Because tell me why this human being put her online in the name of clouds or whatever. Because ana chase cloud for the nekukwa kafade. And we can say this girl ne or bono iphone emeli. Forget clouds because for her not to feel any remorse, okay, we go see the extent alonya amigo, if onya amigo, and somebody diona kamodi akobata no bia. As a guy man, onya meldia, do you find her attractive? Because my past, don't my past, don't judge my past. You don't have to talk about my past. Look at her past. She did do better onye sleep with cousin ya in the name of love. Teba na kofusi alko. Oga akwalu, omakwa ife be kwalu na Igbo. The extent, the gravity of ihe onya na emebo. The onya nwe ike self for somebody is sleep with their cousin. One year, it did not shake. Onya get sleep with father-in-law. Onya get sleep with nwa. Oh, dinda na abufa musia nwa mo stepson. Obaku stepson ya baku monna die onya, because someone refer for ife no wa onweze at this young age onya keta onweze for ife nemanya also kwenye je confession onwe njo onwe ife ga aba eme ima na ime bigana o di ife aketa bụ mmadu ibebiani ka mmadu pụta online admit yesi na no onweze ife dia ka oya no onweze ife onya agbuo mmadu onwekwe ihe oya dia ka oya. However you feel about this video, please leave your comments on the comment section. If you're not watching Palava, you're missing out. I bring you clips of such things for you to know what is happening and for you to know. Because when they feel, you know, where if an amen, just now, you know, kilo mo ifa emana ife oga ife neme. Until I come again, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn your notification bell. I'm your girl Bella. Palava, you know they finish. Peace out.